Hello children, how are you all? Myself Dipal Ghale, your English teacher. Uh, we are going to start a new lesson today. Okay? From your English book of class 5. And that is a story titled Wonderful West. Okay? Wonderful West. You look at page number 10. Okay, Wonderful West. It is a story. Before starting our lesson, let us know about West. Okay, Wonderful West. Wonderful means extremely good. Okay, Waste means scrap or some unwanted or unusable materials. Okay, waste is any substance which is discarded after primary use. Okay, it is worthless, defective, and of no use. But you can reuse the discarded materials creatively. Okay, if you are a creative person, if you value anything, then you can reuse it. For example, you can create some useful items from waste or rejected papers, cartoons, plastics, etc. Okay, not only these materials, but any thrown materials, any used materials can be reused or reutilized. Okay, we should learn to reuse materials, because if you don't do so, then there will be huge waste everywhere. Okay, as a result, our earth becomes dirty, our surrounding becomes dirty. Okay, so let us start our lesson. Waste can be quite useful. Find out for yourself from this story. Look at the top. Waste can be quite useful. Waste can be useful. I have just give you some examples. Find out for yourself from this story. You can also find use of waste. Okay, from this story. In this story, once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. In the afternoon, before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. Feast means a large meal. Okay, typically a celebratory one. Feast. What happened in the first paragraph of the story? What happened? Once there was a Maharaj. Okay, of Travancore. Okay, there was a Maharaja in Travancore. Travancore is in the state of Kerala. Okay, Travancore is in the state of Kerala. As you know, Kerala is situated in the southwestern part of India, isn't it? So, Travancore is a place in Kerala. Okay. What happened? Once the Maharaja of Travancore, the king of Travancore, the emperor of Travancore, instructed its subjects his cook, okay, to organize a grand dinner in his palace, okay, in his palace. Palace means huge house of the king, very beautiful house, decorated very beautiful, huge in size. Palace means house of the king. Once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. Okay, the Maharaja, the king, ordered his subjects to organize a grand dinner in his palace, in his royal house. Okay, and what happened in the afternoon? The Maharaja went inside the kitchen. Okay, he entered the kitchen to just to check. Okay, just to inspect, look over what is going on, how the cook is preparing the dishes for the feast, for the grand dinner. Okay, he just entered the kitchen for inspection. Okay, next paragraph. What are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? He asked the cook, pointing to the basket of scraps near the cook. The cook replied, "They are waste. We will throw them away." What happened? What are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? He asked the cook. He asked means who asked? The Maharaja asked to the cook. Okay, pointing to the basket of scraps, pointing to the waste of vegetables. Okay, he asked the cook, pointing to the basket of scraps. Scraps means waste. Scraps means waste. Scraps near the cook. The cook replied, "They are waste. We will throw them away." They are just waste. The cook replied, "They are not more than a waste. So we are throwing them away." Okay. Cook here means, or cook means one who prepare dishes. Okay, the cook replied casually. Okay, they are waste. Okay, they are waste. They are of no use. We are going to throw them away. The cook replied to the Maharaja, replied to the king. Okay, let us go to third paragraph. You cannot waste all these bits and pieces of vegetables. Find a way to use them, the Maharaja commanded sternly and walked away. The cook was in a fix and kept staring at the vegetable scraps for some time. You cannot waste all these bits and pieces of vegetables. You cannot throw the waste of these vegetables. Okay, the Maharaja commanded. Find a way to use them. Find a way to use them means you find a method. Okay, you find a method to use them, but don't throw it away. But you think about using them again. Okay, to reuse them, the Maharaj commanded. Commanded means instructed sternly. Sternly means strictly. Okay, the Maharaja instructed strictly and walked away. He went away from there. The cook was in a fix. The cook was in a fix. Okay, a fix in a fix means a situation hard to escape from. Okay, a situation hard to escape from. The cook was in a fix and kept staring at the vegetable scraps for some time. He was in a fix. The cook was in a fix and stared at the vegetables. For a while, he could not think anything. Okay, for a while he could not anything. Suddenly, go to another page. Suddenly, an idea flashed across his mind. Okay, what happened? Suddenly, an idea flashed across his mind. He took all the vegetable bits, washed them, and cleaned them well. The Maharaja instructed him to reuse the waste vegetables, isn't it? So then he think about reusing the vegetables. Okay, an idea came in his mind. Okay, suddenly an idea flashed across his mind. Flashed across the mind means suddenly think of using reusing the vegetables. Okay, okay, today we will stop here. Okay, we will continue the remaining portion of the story in the next class. Okay, very interesting story that gives a lesson, a moral that we should reuse waste. We should learn to reuse materials, because if we don't do so, then there will be huge waste everywhere. Okay, as a result, our surroundings become dirty. There will be scarcity of materials for us, scarcity of resources for us. So it is very good. It is very important to reuse the waste. Okay. I am giving you the meanings of few difficult words. You can look at the screen. Read at home. You read at home. Okay. Meaning of difficult words. Ordered. Ordered means instructed, commanded, directed. Okay. Order means instructed, commanded, directed. Survey. Survey means inspect, look over, observe. Feast. Feast means a large meal, typically a celebratory one. Scraps means waste. Sternly means strictly. In a fix means a situation hard to escape from. A situation which has no any alternative. Flash across the mind means suddenly think of. Learn these words. It will be helpful for you to. This will help you to understand the lesson very well. Okay. Okay. This was for today. See you in the next class. Stay at home, stay safe, pay your attention in your study. Okay, goodbye.